Pretty bad lighting there, eh?
Yeah,
Thomas and I randomly decided that Friday we're going to Dead & Company. We decided that that wasn't enough, so we're going to Mount Joy tonight, which is a free concert, Millennium, and then we're going to Father John Misty on Saturday in Chicago.
All that I want in this life is the chance to do my thing. All that I want in this life is the chance to do my thing. Yeah. I want the top. All my people right there in the back of the spot. I need the top. If you know me, you don't know me to stop. I need the top. All my people there back in the spot, let them be shot. Yeah.
Hey Thomas.
This Flora Cash sounds kind of nice.
Flora Cash?
Yeah, indie folk and pop music born out of Ross Atlantic courtship.
All right, so Thomas has said a lot of very funny, candid things randomly, and I would like to get it on film so I can turn it into content, electric content perhaps.
They'll be performing at Metro December 20th.
This is just not hyping up the crowd at all. She's like explaining who Mount Joy is, and I'm like,
now please
yo,
to the stage.
let's relax.
It's the kind of mom. It's the kind of mom, you know, like if you're like friend's mom in 3rd grade that like, you know, come over to the house and she makes you a PB&J sandwich before you like play with like whatever you do in 3rd grade. I don't know. But that's just
before you start Pokemoning,
yeah,
Pokemon Red,
start, like session Pokemon.
I've never been like inside the bean before. How to be a tourist 101.
Yeah, every white girl's dream.
Take a picture under the bean.
Welcome to the 8th grade field trip.
After a long day of Pokemon catching at the PokeFest Chicago 2019, a couple fellow trainers over there decided to go smoke a doobie, aka aka Pokegrass.
Yeah, lost, man.
What's up, T-Boss?
Hey.
Do you have anything to say?
We're going to the Weed Festival, aka Grateful Dead.
Thomas, this is some next level shit.
Next level shit.
It's nice. T-Boss.
Yeah.
Hi, Mom. How was it?
She's coming down from her high.
She's coming down from her contact high right now. Thomas, if you had to evaluate the vibes on a scale of 1 to 10, how would you evaluate them? How about you, Wasman? How would you evaluate the vibes on a scale of 1 to 10?
It was a lot of fun. There were a lot of really fun people.
Oh, yeah.
There was the group of like super chill people that were probably with their parents, which is us, and then there was the other group that like were just like either on acid or just smoking hella weed.
All right. Oh, fuck. Perfect for shotgunning.
Perfect. Subaru knows what's up.
So now we're gonna do a power minute, which is a sip every 5 seconds while the song changes every 5 seconds. Dope.
I have a little bit left.
Get that content. Hey, electric content. Misty for Mr. Misty. Alright, Alright, so T-Boss and I had a huge fuck up. Am I right?
Yeah.
Alright, well, we thought the show started at around like 8 o'clock because we thought Father John Misty was the headliner, but this scum of an artist, Jason Isabel, is apparently the headliner, so we ended up only catching 45 minutes of the concert. So not that nice, but
Only thing that'll pick us up is if this Uber driver has an aux cord. That would be next level.